Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a photo book on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the events section you can find the photo book option. Select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to add a picture, just click to the photo section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete or change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add different graphic elements, click to the object section, and here you can search different elements. And for example, click to the ice cream, and you can move and you can edit the size, the graphic elements. In the animation section you can find different animations, and in the video section you can search or upload videos. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.